how to speak English fluently and confidently. Guys, many people want to speak English fluently and confidently, but they don't know the proper way to speak English fluently and confidently. So guys, here are the some tips. So the first one is practice regularly. Yes, if you really want to speak English fluently and confidently, then you must practice regularly to speak English. The second one is learn new vocabulary. Yes, if you learn new vocabulary, you will get a new way to speak English, and it will definitely improve your fluency and will give you a confidence to speak English. And the third one is listen actively. Guys, if you are watching an English video or a native speaker is speaking in front of you or anyone who is talking with you, listen actively. It will also help you to speak English fluently and confidently. And the fourth one is speak with native speakers. Guys, you can talk with native speakers, you can connect through apps, and when you talk with native speakers, definitely it will help you so much. And the fifth one is join English classes or courses. If you think that I need any English class or any English course, then please must join. It will also help you. The sixth one is record yourself. Guys, you can record yourself, like audio record yourself, video record yourself, and listen then how are you speaking, and then you can improvise yourself. Just audio record yourself and speak in English, and listen that how you are speaking and where you are also making mistake. And the seventh one is speak slowly and clearly. If you want to speak fluent English, then you should speak slowly and clearly. People want to listen clear things. Okay, so please speak slowly and clearly. And the eighth one is build confidence. Guys, build confidence in yourself by practicing so much English speaking. If you have a confidence, definitely you will speak fluent and confident English. So the ninth one is practice pronunciation. Guys, pronunciation is very important thing in English language, how you are pronouncing the words. So please practice pronunciation. You can also practice with the tongue twisters, okay, and practice pronunciation. And the 10th and last one is think in English. Okay guys, please think in English. It will definitely help you to speak English fluently and confidently. If you think in English, definitely you will be able to speak English fluently and confidently. So in this video, I told you how to speak English fluently and confidently. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.